Welcome to an agency where creative ideas meet measurable impact. Let wait. Before you buy any crypto, you need to understand USDT. It's one of the most used coins in the world, but most people have no idea what it really is. Let's break it down in 60 seconds. USDT stands for Tether, and it's what we call a stablecoin. That means 1 USDT is always equal to $1, no wild price swings like Bitcoin. It's designed to be stable, fast, and easy to use for trading, saving, and sending money across borders. It runs on multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Tron, and Binance Smart Chain, and it's issued by a company called Tether Limited, which says every USDT is backed by cash or assets like treasury bills. That's why USDT is used daily by millions for crypto trades, payments, and transfers. But here's the thing, USDT is centralized, so it's not completely risk-free. You're trusting a company to hold that value. Always use trusted wallets and don't keep large amounts on exchanges. Showcase what makes us your perfect partner in advertising. B, drop a like and comment your next question. Showcase what makes us your perfect partner in advertising. Today we'll explore who we are, what we do, and why our creative strategies deliver real results for our clients. Hi, I'm Sean, and I've spent years helping brands stand out with impactful campaigns. I'm thrilled to guide you through our story today. By the end of this presentation, you'll see how we combine strategy, creativity, and data to deliver campaigns that make an impact. Did you know our campaigns have driven up to an 85% increase in brand engagement within just 3 months? That's the power of creative advertising. Creativity isn't just about standing out. It's about forging genuine connections that inspire loyalty and trust. Our process ensures success, from research and strategy to seamless execution across every platform. Our expertise lies in creating integrated campaigns with a unified message and telling brand stories that captivate and inspire. Clients choose us for our creativity, strategic approach, and collaborative spirit that ensures every project's success. We bring audience insights, digital expertise, stunning visuals, and a focus on ROI to every campaign we create. Here, we don't just create ads. We create greatness. Let's build a brand story worth remembering. Now let's bring it all together. Here's a glimpse of the work that defines us, a dynamic showcase of creativity, innovation, and results-driven campaigns.